back to Carrington's delectable treats. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. I missed you guys so much. I'm going to talk about my Thanksgiving. So my dad did the turkey, and I think my mom did the mac and cheese, and my grandma, she did the dishes, but my cousin Justin, he put on music to make it more fun. And my auntie Mimi, she has a baby, and then she ate so much. And my sister Kelly, remember her from the last one when we made snacks for you to do your homework? Well, she made the cake, and she had strawberries, and it was delish. We all had our table, and we ate. Nom, 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 nom. One tasty treat that I like is apple pie. We didn't really have apple pie this Thanksgiving, but we're gonna make it today. We have brown sugar with apple pie spice, crescent roll, an apple, chopped pecans, and melted butter. First thing we're gonna do is cut our apple into 8 slices. Chop, 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 chop. 1, 2. Now we're going to take our apples and melted butter. We're gonna put it in the bowl, and then we're gonna toss it. Now we're going to take a crescent roll and put it in our lightly buttered baking pan. First, we're going to take the sugar and we're going to sprinkle it here. So my hand. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Now we're going to sprinkle our pecans. Now we're going to take an apple and put it on this side. Take one here, put it right there, like that. Take one here, put it on this one. Okay, let's take this one. And then put it right here, like that. Oh, got stuff all over you. If you get stuff all over you, make sure to wash your hands. Don't get germs all over you. Now we're gonna roll the apples, and I'm gonna ask my mom for help, so I'm gonna be right back. This is what it should look like when you're done rolling them. Now we're gonna do the rest, and with a little bit of TV magic, we will do it quick in a hurry. Stop! See, look, done in a jiffy. Now we're going to brush the butter on top of these, and then we're going to put the apple pie spice on top. And now we're gonna sprinkle brown. Great! They're done. Now we're going to put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. But remember, ask an adult because the oven is hot to burn. Ooh, don't they look delicious? Let's give it a try. So stretchy and cute. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be alive. Bye. We have crescent roll, by spice, crescent roll, apple, chopped toucans, and melted butter.
Pecans.
Pecans. Pecans.
Pecans.
Pecans! Ah! Now we're going to take the crescent rolls and we're going to put them in our lightly. Now we're going to put our crescent rolls in the lightly baked butter. Why do I always say bacon? Butter baking pan. Why do I always say bacon?
Okay, let's try it.